welcome to the CONS3RT Help channel. In today's video, we'll be taking a look at what to do if the password for your Windows machine has expired. To reset this password, you will have to create a custom RDP connection with the username administrator and the password you set when launching your run. Once you have connected as an administrator, go to Administrative Tools and then Computer Management. Select Local Users and Groups. Under Users, find the user account in question and click on it. Here you will be able to uncheck User must change password at next login. You will also have the option to set Password never expires. Click
OK.
It is important to keep in mind that if you are using a Windows domain environment as part of your deployment, you may need to contact the administrator of your domain to make these changes for you. If you'd like to watch more of these video tutorials, feel free to check out the CONS3RT Help YouTube channel, or alternatively, you can visit our help site. And as always, the relevant links are in the upper right-hand corner of the video or in the video description down below. In the meantime, I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for using CONS3RT.